so far away from the fucking thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here, hold on, y'all can't see this. No receipt, because we don't need that. 92? The full tank. Thing has not had a full tank in a while. We don't even know how long it's been sitting there. But that's okay. We'll get it right. Oh, $6 worth. Oh, here we go. Appreciate it. Look at that. Got that on camera. $12 gets me full tank. Oh yeah. We're at 50,000 miles too. So, ooh, 84. It's not bad. We're gonna have to fly back though. Yeah, honestly, just not even that bad. But, ooh, this is what it looks like right now. It looks so much better. Oh, I forgot we even have cinematic mode too. I completely forgot we even have cinematic mode. Is it even straight? It is straight. But the side cam looks so good though. Side cam looks so good. Like, look at this. The front looks good too. So, oh, playing that music. We got new chain on it. They cleaned it. Look, bro, they cleaned this so well. Oh my god. Front they cleaned. This is a new tire. I don't know what it is, but we installed the windscreen. Windscreen seems fine. Okay, yeah, let's get out of here before. Oh, wire and that shit. Anyways. No, it's not fucking dying on me. I know you're not fucking dying on me. No! There's no way it fucking died. Are you kidding me? It died. Oh my god. The fucking bike died. I started it one time and it died. I recharged it before I left my house and you can hear it going down.
Go that way or this way?
This way. Probably. Okay. Cool. Oh. Is it even gonna go? Okay. It might, yeah. I almost did it. Hold on. Oh shit. Okay, try it again.
Okay. Now you wanna line out that way?
Yeah.
Okay, line your bike.
Okay. Okay. Yep. Yeah, I didn't do it. Damn it. Appreciate it. It's...
No, right now. Let's go downhill.
Okay. Ooh. I can hear it, but it won't go.
That sucks.
Oh man. All right. Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. You heard it click, but it didn't.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh my god. Do you have? Oh, you don't have jumper cables. Oh man.
Let's go. Let's push it more.
Okay.
Push it more. Okay.
Okay. Oh, the whole fucking thing just died.
More. Give it back.
You gotta hop on it, man.
I don't know how to do that.
So when he's right before you dump the clutch, pop. Help me.
Okay. Okay, hold
Help
on.
you push it.
Fucking.
I'll help you push real quick.
Oh my god, it's fucking
so
dumb.
right, what do you got it in first? You said
Second.
Second?
Yeah.
What is it, a 650?
Yeah.
You might be better off just getting it going in first if you're having a tough time with the pop.
Okay.
Like we'll push it and before you dump the clutch, a little bit of gas and just literally pop
Okay.
right down on. I don't know what it is. I thought it was bullshit, and then I had a
Yeah.
the battery went bad.
Yeah, I literally charged it like right before I left my house with the Walmart. Like the
trickle charger, slow charger.
the one you plug into the wall?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I recharged it on.
Might need a new battery.
Okay.
They're cheap money. I got a 650 also.
Okay. Cause I literally just went to Walmart and it started right back up fine, and then I stopped here and it just won't turn back on.
It'll jump, but and it's full.
I'm only.
It's like $35 on Amazon. They all work.
Okay. Okay.
I'll help you push real quick, man.
Okay. All right. Let me
There's nothing, but yeah, I just
try it in first. Okay. Yeah, it's in first now.
Just like literally hop and dump.
Just dump it. Okay.
Yeah, don't give it too much throttle, please. No, really.
Okay. Got you.
No, really.
Okay.
Go.
Yes. Yes. All right. Thank you.
Sure, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
What I say, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
All right. Thank you.
Safe, man.
All right. Thank you so much.
Hey, which way are you going?
I'm going back that way.
There's a cop right there at Goodwill.
Okay. Appreciate it.